What if your next idea became your first $10,000 month? This is your no-fluff blueprint to profitable digital products. If you've tried before but struggled, you're not alone. This guide is step-by-step, tested and practical. We'll choose a money niche, create products, list them, market them, and scale. Profitable niches exist where hungry buyers meet recurring needs. Think simple, useful, repeat purchase niches: planners, resume kits, AI prompts, and meal plans. Your products should deliver outcomes: ebooks, templates, planners, or short courses. In just 48 hours, you can go from idea to your first published product. Done is better than perfect. Go where buyers already are. Gumroad, Etsy, Shopify, platforms made for creators. Optimize your listing, lead with benefits, show strong visuals, use SEO tags, and always add a clear call to action. Here's how fast it is to set up. Title, upload, price, publish. Done. Marketing is simple. Use short-form content on TikTok and Instagram, capture emails, and funnel them to your offers. Every viral post follows the same formula: problem, promise, proof. Post daily, demos, tips, stories, objections handled behind the scenes, and clear CTAs. Email funnels are simple: freebie, welcome, nurture, then offer. Build trust, then make the sale. Once you're ready, scale with ads, partnerships, bundles, and upsells. A small tweak in your product title can double clicks. Simple shifts make a big difference. One student launched a planner template and made their first 10 sales within days. Now you have the complete roadmap from $0 to $10,000. Grab the 100-page blueprint, packed with strategies, examples, and action steps. Start today. The link is in the description. And if you're ready for your next step, watch this: how to pick a money niche in 15 minutes.